So I have here the UFO LED shop light from Kukuppo, and today I want to show you here how to install this. So first of all, we're going to take a look at what's inside here. Of course, the user manual, some specifications, and it comes here with this ring. That's where you hang the little light off of. Then also comes with a remote control, 6 buttons. Batteries are not included, so you need 2 AAA batteries. And then here's the wiring. Comes with a 14 gauge wire. So there's no plug at the end, so that you can wire it up to a light switch. And then it comes with a safety wire, so you can also hook this up to your ceiling in case the lamp is falling down. Then this will hold it from falling down. Okay, so here we have a direct look at the light itself. It's pretty heavy, 9 pounds. And it sort of says it's a cast aluminum. Here we have a look at all the LEDs. Looks well made. And so the only assembly that you really have to do is screw in the ring. So then we can start installing it. And apart from the AAA batteries, make sure you have a hook like this, so otherwise you won't be able to really mount it to anything. Okay, so installation is really easy. So I'm starting by screwing in here the hook into the ceiling, making sure that it's in there sturdy so that we can hang the light off of it. Next I am attaching here the safety rope, and I'm using a second ring. The instructions say to hook it off of the main hook here, but I just want to make sure it attaches to something else in case the hook fails. And then you see here, in case it does come down, this is where the fall would be stopped. And then the last part here is the wiring. And for me, the 5-foot cable is just not enough to reach the light switch. So I'm going to extend this here in this electrical box. And then the installation is already done, so we can try it out. Okay, so it comes with the 6-button remote with an on and off button. And then it has different settings for 100% and 50% of the illumination. And then it has 2 buttons for the dimmer functionality. So you can, I think, dim it down to probably about 20% and then all the way up to 100%. Now here is a little comparison to my previous lighting situation. So you see it's a lot better now with this UFO LED light. And maybe also worth mentioning is that the light is going to remember its current state when you turn it off. So when you're using a separate light switch like I do, then the light is always going to come back with the previous setting from when you were last using it. Okay, so this is already it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then write a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.